Hi, I'm Albert Yip. Welcome back to this series of Learn Chinese through the Read and Write Way. In the last video, I have introduced you to 10 Chinese characters, the 1 to 10. Using these 10 characters, you can express from 1 to 99. So the natural progression is to continue with this, and then I will introduce you to a few words as well. The next word is 100, 100. It is written like this. It is a horizontal stroke with a little lash and then a rectangle with a horizontal line in between. This represents 100. So in the case you want to express, say, 111, remember last time when we say we express 11, we just put 10, 1. The 1 in front of the 10 is implicitly. No, because you have the word 10 here. But in the case of you want to put any other words denoting numbers before the 11, then you will have to explicitly put back the 1 in. So in 111, the way to express it is 100, 1, 10, 1. So these 5 characters combined together represent 111. With this in mind, so you can write the other numbers as well. Well, but there's still one type of numbers which we haven't covered yet, is 102. Here we have a 0. That means we need to know the word for 0. The word for 0 is a little bit complicated, so I'm going to write it larger using 4 square. Using 4 square instead of 1, so that you can see it a little bit better. Well, this whole word is representing 0. So if we are going to say 102, we will write it as 100 with a 0 there. And then 2. So that is 102 with a 0 in that. So with this, you can now express up to 999. So obviously, the next progression is into 1,000. So what is the word for 1,000? Yes, 1,000 looks like a 10 with a slash on top of it. This is 1,000. So the way to do it is exactly the same like the other numbers. We put in 1,234. For example, we want to say 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 1,234. We'll put it as 1,230. I'm running out of space, so I will put it down here. 4. So all these characters combined together, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 characters combined together represent 134. Now we come into one area which we Chinese expressing a little bit different from the Western convention. In the Western convention, the next progression is 10,000. It is 2 words. That means in the Western style of numbering, we count every 3 digits. That is 1,000. And the next one, suppose I'm going to say 11,000. So it's 11,000. So this position is 1,000 position. And the rest is just keep on 11, and then you have 100,000 and so forth, and until you go to another space. So the Western style is 3-digit spaced. Unfortunately, Chinese is 4-digit based. That means we have one word which represents 10,000. The word is like this. This is the word standing for 10,000. It is a little bit complicated, isn't it? And the Chinese Communist Party give us the simplified version of it. The simplified version is like this. A horizontal stroke, a slash, and then a hook. So that stands for 10,000. The next one in Western style will be 100,000, but in the Chinese style is 10,000. So suppose I have, let's say 111,000. To express it in Chinese, it will be 10,000, and then 1,000. So, if this is 0, so that will be, if you want to express 111,000, then in the Chinese way, we will stop it from at this point, and that was 10,000, and then 1,000. So it will be written like this: 10,000, and then we have the 1,000 following it. So that combines give us the 111,000. So that is a little bit different from the way the Chinese and the Western style of numbering numbers. In the next video, I will continue with this trend and get you up to a much larger number. Now with this 10,000 in place, you can already express up to 100,000, 999,999. So it is already a pretty large number. But in the next video, we'll go even a bit further than that. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye-bye.